How to log in Telegram account. Signing in or logging to Telegram application's account is very easy. Simply follow all the steps till the end. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Telegram app on the device. Once it launches, you will get in this kind of interface. Now tap Start Messaging. On this section, tap Continue button to allow Telegram receive or make any kind of calls. Now tap Allow button. Enter the country. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in your country. After that, your code will automatically come into this page or box. Now enter your phone number. And after that, you need to tap on the arrow which is underneath that, and you will get this kind of pop up message. So tap on the continue button. Make sure that your number is correct. So tap allow again to access your phone number. Now you have to enter the code that has been sent to your email. Once you enter the verification code, you have to enter your two-step verification password. And after that, tap continue to turn on notifications from Telegram. You have successfully logged in or signed into your Telegram account. In this way, you can easily log into your account of Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.